What's up, you guys? This is Leonard here with another video, and it's been a very long time since I've been able to post anything, but that's because I've been in a creative rut and I'm slowly getting out of it. So let's not waste no more time and get right into it. For those of you who don't already know, I am a low-key health nut and I'm obsessed with clean ingredients. So for the last couple of weeks, I was able to purchase one of my favorite almond butters that just rebranded as Greater Goodness Natural Foods. They make the almond butter from sprouted almonds. This is very rare and hard to find. Not to mention, their whole almond butter ingredient deck is 4 ingredients. Literally, it's organic sprouted almonds, organic vanilla, organic stevia, and unrefined sea salt. Super clean. This is so delicious. It's my go-to for snacks. I can literally eat this out the jar with nothing, like straight out of the spoon. It's that smooth. That being said, I was able to produce a little sequence that I wanted to share the best way or my favorite way to consume it as a snack. And I hope you guys enjoy. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Thank you so much for watching. It was tons of fun filming, putting it together to share. And I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I'm gonna put their Instagram page right here so you guys can show them some love. And if you're curious how good this liquid gold is, you can go purchase it yourself. It's extremely delicious. I guarantee you won't be disappointed. And thank you again, and see you in the next video.